got a heartbeat like a drum, it keeps going and I got nowhere to run. I'm a rebel down under. I'm a rebel down under.
Fully charged, 14 hours of body life. Out of the box, it's 10 milliwatts output, selectable to 50 for long distances between your handheld and your body pack and the receiver. Rechargeable batteries go straight in. Now, EV makes great sounding microphones, whether it's wired or wireless. If it's a wired microphone versus a wireless microphone, we do not lose any sonic quality from going wired to wireless. Other manufacturers cannot make that claim. But if you absolutely have to have another manufacturer's capsule on your wireless, yeah, go ahead and put your Shure capsule on this. Our radio's better than theirs. Our capsules are better than theirs. But if you have to have that Beta 58, Beta 87, whatever, go ahead and use it. We don't care. We just want you guys to have a good show. So, EV RE3 wireless, brand new for 2019.